We have here is a light fixture, maximum 60 watt light bulbs, 4 not included, E26. Comes nicely packaged and presented in instruction guide, hardware, and plastic wrapped. We have here is the chandelier with a round bottom, square around, and poles that you can add 12 inches per. As the chandelier is lit, we'll dim down the light to show you the lighting. It could be hung on a ceiling that could be tilted. You could put low kelvins to high kelvins in. Round, square, different types of bulbs of a maximum of 60 watt. This is a square shaped as a cross. Fixture in black that could be hung in the living room, bathroom, master room, bedroom, hallway, and more. Easy to assemble and to change out the height by unscrewing the top piece, adding in the sections. Measures from the base to the bottom 4 feet. Each pole is a foot, and the width is 16 inches plus by 8 inches. So if you're looking for a chandelier to light up your area, tall, short, medium, depending on the pole height you are after, this product may be something that you are interested in for your lighting needs in your household. Separate wall switch, dimmer switch, optional. I hope you enjoy your light if this is what you are looking for.